Happy New Year, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this new year of 2020. I have such great content to bring you guys, continuing on my journey of cleaning up my life one mess at a time. And if you are here to follow me on that journey, thank you so much. And to you, my true blues, you know I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new, I hope you will decide to become part of my YouTube family as well. Become a true blue yourself. If you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notifications bell. Also, you guys, it really helps my channel out if you watch my videos all the way through to the end. And if you decide to do that, please leave me a heart emoji down in the comments below so I know that you supported me all the way through. I appreciate that so much. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas and were able to ring in this new year with some good positive vibes as well. Today's video is all about taking down Christmas. That's right. As much as I love the beauty and the magic of Christmas, it is time, you guys. I'm starting to feel a little cluttered and claustrophobic up in this house, looking at all these decorations everywhere. So I want to take that down today. If you guys need to do that, let's do it together. Let's grab our coffee, crank our music, and get right into it. So once I served the kids breakfast, I just went ahead and started to attack the dishes right away and clean up the kitchen. I have a system when I take down decorations. I like to accumulate everything on the table and on the countertop. This way I can sort through everything and create the appropriate piles for the designated bins.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise just me that you know. The world is yours, strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind.
Oh my goodness, guys, the amount of trash from after Christmas. Do you guys feel like it's just never ending? I swear, like my kids finally got through the last of their unboxings of like their new toys or new gadgets. So I'm just breaking everything down here so that we can get this recycling put out for Monday's trash and just get this house free of all these boxes and cardboards once and for all. And so at this time, my husband was already outside removing all the Christmas lights and decorations. So I was so grateful I didn't have to walk all the way to the bins. I was able to leave everything on the front porch for him to put in the bins for me. And so it's just those little things, that make a huge difference. And gosh, sometimes like it's just, you don't realize like how much the husbands help. It's just the little things that matter so much to me. Do you guys feel me on this?
Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. You know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time, we all play our part. Go out now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life, go on now, chase your dreams, everything, go on now, be good, be fine, live your life. Live your life. Meet me where the meadows grow by the water hole. Lucid dreams of you and me. Sky high, busy life, I wanna live. Oh, muscle tight, early light, cleanse down jaw. Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking. Oh, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water.
I'm really not one who saves a lot, but when it comes to the packaging from bedding, sheet sets, or comforter sets, I love reusing these. You guys, they are thick quality. They always come with a zippered closure. And as you can see, I am storing my garland in one here. I also have some wreaths in another one, and they are so good to use for storing clothes as well.
Make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. A waterfall to wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked one. You wicked drowning water. I wanna be less than I can be. A waterfall to wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked one. The wicked drowning water.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down. Fell through the the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound. This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice.
So I want to share with you guys how I store my Christmas lights. If you look, when you first buy Christmas lights, they all are packaged in a particular pattern. And so what I do is I just follow that pattern as I gather up the wires, and I just hold it in my hand. And then at the very end, I will leave like extra length on the cord so I can wrap it around a few times. And then I go ahead and connect the plug into the actual little socket part. And there you have it. It's nice and tight, and you won't have to worry about tangled wires next year when you go to decorate. And so now that I've removed all the Christmas tree lights, I had my tall and handsome husband remove all the garland from around the window. Yes, the perks of having a tall husband. He also took down the trees for me and put them in their storage bags. And you guys, Christmas is down for good. Feels so clean and new in here. I hope this video helped you guys get something done as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for next week's video as I continue my journey on taking back control of my life, cleaning up one mess at a time. Also, I have some great content in store for you guys this year, including organizational videos, home renos, and I may start doing vlogs again. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. Have a great day.